First standard, term first, volume 2, environmental science. Unit 3, nature's bounty. Leaves. Let us go on a joyful journey into the world of plants. Let us talk plants have different kinds of leaves. They are of various sizes, shapes, colors and textures. Talk about some leaves that you have seen around you. Here are some helping words. Vocabulary: light green, dark green, soft, smooth, rough, edge, sharp, rounded, dry, big, small, tip. Now we can understand some varieties of leaves. Banana leaf, வாழை இலை. Mango leaf, மா இலை. Mango leaf, மா இலை. Drumstick leaves, முருங்கை இலை. Drumstick leaves, முருங்கை இலை. Neem leaves, வேப்ப இலை. Neem leaf, வேப்ப இலை. Coconut leaf, coconut leaf. தென்னை ஓலை. Coconut leaf, தென்னை ஓலை. Basil leaf, துளசி இலை. Basil leaf, துளசி இலை. Mint leaf, mint leaf. புதினா இலை. Curry leaves, கருவேப்பிலை. Compare the leaves. Use the words you have learned. Soft leaf, rough leaf. Soft leaf, rough leaf. Long leaves. These are long leaves. These coconut leaves are long leaves. This is palm leaves. This is palm leaf. Coriander leaf, coriander leaf. கொத்தமல்லி இலை, கொத்தமல்லி தழை. Compare the leaves. Use the words you have learned. Soft leaf, rough leaf. Long edge leaf, sharp edge leaf. Dear children, we can learn about flowers. The name of the flowers. The name of the flowers. Look at the pictures. These are some flowers that we see around us. Let us name them. Firecracker, firecracker. Kanahambaram, kanahambaram. Jasmine, மல்லிகை, jasmine, மல்லிகை. marigold, சாமந்தி. marigold, சாமந்தி. lotus, தாமரை. lotus, தாமரை. frangipani, frangipani. சம்பங்கி, சம்பங்கி. ரோஸ், ரோஜா. ரோஸ், ரோஜா. ரோஜா மலர், ரோஜா மலர். பைன், ஸ்க்ரூ பைன். தாழம்பூ, தாழம்பூ. ஷோ ஃப்ளவர், ஷோ ஃப்ளவர். செம்பருத்தி, செம்பருத்தி. ஹரி சாம்பா, ஹரி சாம்பா. மனோரஞ்சிதம், மனோரஞ்சிதம். vocabulary: smell, petal, soft, smooth, rough, thorn, color, red, pink, white, yellow. About some flowers have a pleasant smell. Some flowers have a pleasant smell. Chambaka, Chambaka. Shenbagam, Shenbaga malar, Shenbaga malar. Jasmine, Malligai malar. Jasmine, Malligai malar. Rose, Roja malar. Rose, Roja malar. Match the flowers with their petals. Sunflower, sunflower petal. Lily, lily petal. Rose, rose petal. Sunflower, sunflower petals. Rhyme time. Vegetables, vegetables. I went to the market with my bag. I went to the market with my bag. Children, let us sing the rhyme. Children, let us sing the rhyme. I went to the market with my bag. I went to the market with my bag to buy tomatoes, red and round. To buy tomatoes, red and round. Potatoes, big and brown. Potatoes, big and brown. Green chilies, long and thin. Green chilies, long and thin. Fat pumpkins, orange and green. Fat pumpkins, orange and green. Purple brinjals, big and small. Purple brinjals, big and small. And drumsticks, green and lengthy. And drumsticks, green and lengthy. My bag became heavy. My bag became heavy. My bag became heavy. My bag became heavy. I came back home. I came back home. With my basket full, with my basket full. Everybody smiled, everybody smiled, everybody smiled. I went to the market with my bag. I went to the market with my bag to buy tomatoes, red and round. To buy tomatoes, red and round. to buy tomatoes, red and brown, potatoes, big and brown, potatoes, big and brown, green chilies, long and thin, green chilies, long and thin, fat pumpkins, orange and green, fat pumpkins, orange and green, purple brinjals, big and small, purple brinjals, big and small, and drumsticks, green and lengthy, and drumsticks, green and lengthy. My bag became heavy, my bag became heavy. I came back home, I came back home. With my basket full, with my basket full. Everybody smiled, everybody smiled, everybody smiled. Thank you, children. Thank you. This picture is this picture was taken from a vegetable shop. A vegetable shop. Here are some commonly used vegetables. Here are some commonly used vegetables. Onion, onion, ginger, ginger, garlic, garlic, beetroot, beetroot, radish, radish, lady's finger, lady's finger. Look at the different varieties of brinjals given below. The first one is purple color. The second one purple and white color. Third one pinky purple. Fourth one green color brinjal. Next we can learn about fruits. We can learn about fruits. Vocabulary: ripe, juicy, fleshy, small, big, sweet, sour, dry fruits. Most fruits change their color when they ripen. Mango, green color. Mango fruit, orange color. Guava, green. Guava fruit, red. Papaya, green. Papaya fruit, orange color. Banana, green color. Banana fruit, yellow color. These are some fleshy fruits. Papaya, papaya. Sapota, sapota. These are some juicy fruits. Lemon, lemon. Watermelon, watermelon. Orange, orange. These are some small fruits. Grapes, grapes. Throat-shaped param, throat-shaped பழம். ஜுஜுபா ஜுஜுபா இலந்தை பழம். இலந்தை பழம். Some fruits are big. Watermelon. Watermelon. Jackfruit. Jackfruit. பலாப்பழம். பலாப்பழம். These are some fruits that are sour. இந்த பழங்கள் புளிப்புச் சுவையுடையன. எலுமிச்சை, நெல்லி, gooseberry, நெல்லி. Some fruits are sweet. Some fruits are sweet. Banana, custard apple, sapota. These are some fruits that taste both sweet and sour. Grapes. திராட்சை பழம். திராட்சை பழம் இனிப்பும் புளிப்பும் கொண்டது. பைனாப்பிள் இனிப்புச் சுவையும் புளிப்புச் சுவையும் கொண்டது. இந்த அன்னாசி பழம். These are some dry fruits. Dates. பேரிச்சம்பழம். Raisins. உலர் திராட்சை. Figs. அத்திப்பழம். Evaluation. Self-evaluation. Children, can you tell us? Can understand? I can name and describe some commonly found leaves, flowers, fruits and vegetables. I know the importance of plants in my life. I can draw, color, make vegetable prints and floral designs. Thank you, children. We meet again in another lesson.